I am so thankful every time I am able to do this. It's such a blessing from God to be a blessing. So, what can I say? Over the last 12 months, my life has literally been shaken up in so many positive ways. I can't even begin to express to you how grateful to God I am to be here in this moment. Because listen, when you're disabled, your options are very limited. And a lot of people in here right now can probably attest to that. But I never once let my disability define me. I literally was just sprinting across my living room because I was taking my lessons from my kids to run over here because that's why I asked this morning if I'm going to be able to be on today. And I'm grateful because I get to look my kids in the face every day as I change people's lives around the world every single day. I get to look my kids in the face while I'm helping change lives in my academy. I am literally getting to look my kids in the face. So I know where my kids are at. See, I was just where you are, being at work, sitting in this office and on the phone with clients. And while my boss is listening to me, I'm getting phone calls from my kid's school. Oh, your son just threw up. Or your daughter is beside herself because of whatever, like a kid hit him or something like that. And you got that on your brain while they're 40 minutes away from you. How are you supposed to focus on doing your job if that's all you're focused on? Because you tell me if you'll be able, like, I literally got a phone call 2 years ago, 2.5, almost 3 years ago. Daughter at school, I get a phone call to say somebody speared my daughter. Like, I don't know if y'all watch wrestling, but a kid legit speared my daughter into a bookshelf. Don't ask me why. Could you sit up there and concentrate on your job while this happened? How much are you thinking, is my baby okay? And she's my first, right? So I'm sitting there trying to help people. And listen, I got fulfillment from my job, yes, because I was helping people that were misfortunate enough to not even be able to go out there and shop for themselves. So yes, I got to make a difference there. But all I could think about is my baby girl. And because of digital marketing, because of online business, I can be in the room with my daughter, in the room with my son. And while I'm changing lives across this earth, God helps me every day to actually look my kids in the face and have the peace of mind and the peace of God to be able to know that as my life changes, they get to watch daddy change lives. They get to watch daddy save lives. And now my daughter tells me, Daddy, have a great life. I know you're going to make $1,200 today. And literally, listen, I can't make this stuff up. I got off a live stream after she said that. That's exactly what happened. That's exactly what happened. Because listen to me, when I tell people life and death is in the power of the tongue, it's literally biblical. It is a law, right? It is a universal law because that's the way God designed it. Because if you speak the things you want to see and not the things you don't, your life changes. You're not here to make a decision if you should change your life. You're not here to buy a course that could possibly give you resale rights to make some money. Yes, that's one of the things you are able to enjoy. But what you literally do here is to have the opportunity right now to change someone else's life you probably would never meet. Because let me show you something. When my mentor told me about this, you know what he said to me? Yo, I've seen this girl. I don't know who she is, but I heard she got this community. And they have so much over there that I just gotta check it out. And you have to come with me because I know how much you wanna win too. And because I know him, because I like him, I mean, he's bald, but hey, we can look past that, right? But because I trust him, right? I joke, but I trust him like a brother. And he said, okay, this is what you need to do to win. This is what you need to do to succeed. These are the skills that you need. You need to come here. And what if Michelle never made this decision? What if she let the whole fact that I'm over 50 and I've already been in network marketing and I had the rug pulled out from under me and I can't go teach nothing. And I figured that I can't do this because all I can teach people is how to suck. Literally her words. Literally her words. I'm not making that up. It's literally her words, right? If she had not made that decision, where would 9,800 lives and 9,800 families across this earth be today? So it's not just me, it's just the opportunity that you are given here to learn the most valuable skill in human history. Tell me one business, tell me one industry, tell me one person that's not on social media right now. Tell me one person that does not need to know how to be more valuable, more relatable, more consistent in their products and business and services so people find them. See, I was the guy that went out there and did network marketing, literally wearing holes in my shoes because I was told you gotta pay the price, you gotta build a legacy. So I was in strip malls and I was in people's houses and I was literally grinding my shoes into the pavement to pay a price, but I can't stand for more than 15 minutes at a time. So while I was being misled to think that I'm building a legacy by putting my body on the line, how many of you right now are putting your body on the line every single day? And I never have to do that ever again. I never have to do that now. I used to have to spend hours on the phone. Hey, did you watch the video? Hey, did you check out the presentation? Hey, did you get that letter from me? Hey, do you think you can help me out? I don't recruit nobody. I was one of the best recruiters in MLM, hands down. You think so? What do you think about today? But I'm not here to recruit you. There's no recruiting here. I'm trying to get you to change your life, to learn the most valuable skill that there has ever been created, because social media can change your life if you understand how it can change. So again, it's not about you making a purchase today, but because a single mom of 6 kids decided that she is not going to be defined by her failures and she is going to help people learn how to succeed, my life changed. And I don't care what no one says about digital marketing. Digital marketing changed my life because digital marketing was the answer to my prayer that I prayed for 15 long years. And he delivered it to me and my family through Michelle and my mentor. I'm telling you this. So if you're still thinking that this is about you making a purchase today, I'm sorry, my friend, but that's not what this is about. This is always about who is waiting on you. Thank you, guys.